do certain things where if John's top, you've also got junction perhaps to perhaps not so much in here, which is a bit takes a bit longer to get in speed up. But you could do jump as some basic jumping and definitely you can see here. She's got favourite for close out that. She's just favourite that. She's his favourite. She's in game house. I think that next picture says there's no begging lies of men and horses. That's because any horse, no matter how big or strong or tough you are, any horse that doesn't want it can bite you. That's the truth. But the thing with the horses, as long as you show off respect, you got too pushy, they'll take care of you. As you see here, she's just so relaxed with them. You also enjoy it, you know? It's good for them.